birthday Wednesday, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I have a fun fabric haul for you. This is my Destashify fabric haul, and as you all know, I am a brand ambassador for Destashify, so I have some fabrics I want to share with you, and these are for something very specific. I have not opened them up because I wanted to open them up now, and so that is what I am doing. And I'm so excited about this. When I saw this on the website, I was like, I'm grabbing this. But first, let me first jump into the collaboration I have with Dossier. Now, you all know I've done previous videos with Dossier, various collaborations over the past couple months. And so I have another collaboration today. Actually, it's pretty good timing. Let me put up my notes because for those who are new to Dossier, you know that they recreate some very nice high-end fragrances for a fraction of the cost. You already know that. I've talked ad nauseum about it. But for those who are new, here's one thing you want to keep in mind. I do have, for those who are interested, who are new to Dossier, you can get 10% off, right? I will have a link down in the description box. You'll be able to see it. But let me read my notes, because Dossier do have a new payment plan called Catch. So this lets you earn store credit when you do make a purchase, and all you have to do is select Catch as your last step at checkout, and you earn a $10 sign-on bonus credit. So you can get rewarded with the 10% store credit on every order. And so yeah, that is something that you want to keep in mind if you are new to Dossier. They have so many fragrances. I won't go back over everything because in every video I always talk about the different fragrances, but I do want to highlight the ones that I have now that I think are great for Father's Day gifts that you might actually enjoy, because the couple that I did pick out that was sent to me are for my husband, and then it was just one for me. So let me just share those real quick with you. And you've heard me talk about Dossier many times. I will leave a link, obviously, to everything down in the description box. You know that anything that you return to them, they don't throw them out. They are donated to charity. But let me share with you real quick the two men fragrances. I have the Woody Sandalwood, which is inspired by Le Labo Santal 33. And I've heard much about this. Actually did a lot of, looked at a lot of videos to make sure it was something I would think my husband would like. The top notes are violet leaves, cardamom. Then the middle notes is a orris, ambro, cedarwood, cypriol, and then the base notes is a musk, sandalwood, and amber. And so it is this, and you know, they all have the really nice packaging, so glass jars. And so my husband absolutely love this. This is a awesome male fragrance. And so it's definitely woody, definitely woody. The next one is, I'm not going to pronounce this right, but here's the spelling. It's a oud. Oh, you see that there? It is a oud fragrance. And so, and this is inspired by Tom Ford's Oud Wood. And so that is what this one is. And another one, my husband, I mean, they're very masculine smelling. Definitely. And he loved, I think, which one is he's been using the most of? I think, I know it's the Ambery Saffron. He liked that because that was a different scent, but he likes all of these. And so yeah, he's been getting spoiled with the scents as of late. And then the one that I picked up is called Ambery Vanilla, and this is inspired by YSL's Black Opium, and this is a nice one. The top notes is mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice, and then you have your middle note of jasmine, orange blossom, and the base note is the cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. And I always spray the cards. I keep all of the cards because when you get the cards, you get the notes and description and all of that. And I love it. This one is another one. Is it smells so good, but this is one for me, the way I envision wearing it is in the evenings or fall. So love. Make sure if you are looking for something for your significant other that consider, or for yourself, you can get that 10% off and an additional discount. Use Catch at checkout. And but yeah, I'll leave all of that down in the description box down below. Thanks Dossier for collaborating with me on that. So let's get into these fabrics. So you guys, you all know, and some of you who you're gonna see, yeah, this video goes up before my Sunday reset. You're going to see me talk about de-stashing and dwindling down my fabric stash. I have an entire box. You all know Destashify. You've heard a lot about them. Sure, you've seen Whitney, well, Wit, right? Here on YouTube talk about it. Both Whitneys talk about it because they're brand ambassadors as well. And so we are gifted fabric. Credit to get fabric from the store, and also if we want to add on and get additional fabric, we most certainly can. You can open up an account on Destashify to have fabrics to sell, or if you're like me, I am actually donating. I have a box that I actually need to just weigh up everything in it, that I am going to send to Destashify for her to for Carrie to have and post on her website. I just don't want to be bothered with doing a sale and all that other different stuff. But this month, for the month of May, when I was sent my store credit for the month, I went out there to see what was out there, and they had a ton, well, I think it was a ton of athletic wear and of athletic fabric out there. And so I grabbed it up. I snatched it up. I have these. Let me just pull this up because I don't know if the, let me see, is the little ticket in here? The ticket, I don't see the ticket. So let me pull it up. Okay, so I pulled it up. I have 2 sets of 4 pieces of moisture wicking athletic knit. So, and they're 1 yard each. And so, excuse me, one was 4 yards, another is another 4 yards, and they each are 1 yard. And so, you know, when you're making athletic wear and stuff like that, you don't need a lot for. But I thought, because my husband wants some more polos, I might use a couple of these for that. But let me just show you what I picked up. This first one is kind of, it's pretty much coming off true to color, almost like the color of the top I have on. And this is my Love Notions Rhapsody blouse. And so I have a review for this. This is actually in a viscose twill. If you saw my video on Sunday, go back and watch it. It is my summer mood board, all of my fabrics, and I told you guys that I absolutely love sewing with viscose twill. And the first time I ever sewn with viscose twill was this. This was from Roz from So Much Fabric. And so I absolutely love the feel of this. Even on hot days, it's still very comfortable to wear. But this is my Love Notions Rhapsody blouse. So anyway, so it's almost the same color. It's coming off true to color. It's almost like this orangey red, and it's an athletic knit. It's all moisture wicking. And so and it's 1 yard. And but the thing is, you all know with most athletic fabrics, they're pretty wide. And so what I'm thinking I might do for some of these is get my husband, because he wants some more polos, get a couple polos out for him, and I might use some of this for color blocking, except for one of the colors. I'll show you that. So this is the first one. Feels really good, feels really good. So I need to wash all of this. So and then you have this green, like this olive. Now this I might just go ahead and just make his shirt out of, and see the right and wrong side look the same. It's some really nice fabric. And so yeah, I absolutely love this. Hold on, let me change my battery. Okay, change my battery. So yeah, this will probably be a polo for sure for him, because I know he'll like that. And any scraps I have left over is nice to use for color blocking, moisture wicking. Fabric is really good for that. And then this one, it'll be something for me. This is so pretty. This is more of a peach. Let me see. Yeah, see, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I absolutely love this color. So yeah, I will, it's so much of this. See, it's 60 inches wide. And yeah, it's just a little, actually it's a little over a yard. No, I'll get him a polo out of this because he likes this color. He has a solid that's ready to wear, that's peach, but he would like this. I think I'll be able to get him a polo out of all of those, and I'll still have enough, because what I would use them for are sleeveless workout tops, and it's enough for that. And then the final one that I have that was in this lot is this, it's almost like a turquoisey, like a mint turquoise color. I don't know if that's really coming off, but once again, let me unfold this. This will be good as well. No, this one is definitely a yard. One of them is well over a yard. This one looks like it's about exactly a yard. So no, I'll probably keep this one for myself, because there's enough of the other ones to get him a polo out of. Now these are some other fun. These are all solids. When I saw it, I was like, that is perfect, because I really want to do the color blocking and everything. So these are also moisture wicking, and this is bright. So the screen probably going to change a bit here, but look at that. Bright neon pink. And you guys, I already shared my athletic wear sewing plans. I will link that video up here. I will be adding all of these to those plans, because I think I mentioned did I mention it in Sunday's video you just saw, or I'm mentioning it in my Sunday reset coming up on Sunday? There is it's getting to a point where there's only so many things I'm gonna be able to sew over the next few months, and so yeah, everything else I'm starting to pack up, but you'll see all that in the Sunday reset. So make sure, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss the next upload, because the next upload is my Sunday reset, and I'll be giving an update on the house and all of that and a few other things. But so I have this bright pink, then I have this bright neon. Look at that. Woo, that down, up, bright. This is a bright neon, and so I'm very happy about all of this. This is going to be, and like I said, all moisture wicking. When I saw this, I could not let that sit on the website. And then I like this one. This is a nice neutral. This almost looks like a gray color, a stone, I don't know what you want to call it, a stone color, but it's a nice neutral, also very nice. And then this is all, I'm gonna hold this up because this again blends in with my shirt, so I'm gonna hold this up so you can at least see it. But also kind of that orangey red kind of color, very nice. Pretty much same color I'm wearing, but I want to show it to you like this. So love all of this. So actually, as soon as I'm done recording, I am going to put all of this in the wash, because what I did was set up a bucket with all of my summer fabrics you would have just seen in Sunday's video, and all my athletic stuff that I'm working on, and swimsuits and stuff I'm working on, in a bucket. And all my other fabric I'm packing up that I know I'm not going to use. I'm going to start packing up this room, but you'll see all that in subsequent Sunday resets. I will keep showing you everything that I have pretty much packed up or destashed or whatever the case may be. So kind of take you along on that journey with me, because yes, you'll go on the journey with me for the unpacking and setting up of the new sewing space. So yeah, so that is it. That's all I have today. Like I said, make sure you stay tuned for Sunday, and next week Wednesday there will be a re-release of a pattern I was a pattern tester for. Actually, it's coming out on Friday. I don't do Friday videos, very rarely, if ever, and I'm not planning to do one on this Friday. So but follow me over on Instagram, So NaturalDane, and on Facebook, So NaturalDane, and you will see what it is, because there'll be special discounts and everything going on, and you'll see my version, and then you'll get a full review of that release next week Wednesday. So make sure you are following along for that. And yeah, that is basically it. I am going to leave all of the information for Destashify down in the description box, so you can peruse the website. If you have fabrics to donate and everything, all of that is on her website, and how to set up an account if you prefer to set up an account on the site. I will also leave all of the information for Dossier with the discount link. Pick up your man some sense, pick up yourself some sense if you want some sense. Get that discount, use Catch to save some additional money on at checkout. And so yeah, everybody, thanks so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. You all have a blessed rest of your week, and we will see you on Sunday. Bye.